Ever notice how an ambulance siren seems to change pitch as it rushes past? It's high as it approaches, then suddenly drops lower as it moves away. That's not your imagination, it's the Doppler effect, and it reveals the true nature of sound. Sound isn't just something we hear, it's a physical wave, a vibration pushing through the air. Every sound has a frequency, which our brain interprets as pitch, and an amplitude, which we perceive as loudness. A high-pitched whistle has a high frequency, while a deep bass drum has a low one. But these waves don't travel in isolation. When they meet, they interact through interference. Sometimes two waves align perfectly, amplifying each other in what's called constructive interference. Other times they are out of phase, canceling each other out completely. This destructive interference is the magic behind noise-canceling headphones. When two identical waves travel in opposite directions, they can create a seemingly stationary pattern called a standing wave. This isn't just a neat trick, it's the very soul of music. A guitar string fixed at both ends vibrates in standing waves, producing a fundamental note and a series of higher, quieter overtones called harmonics. These harmonics are what give an instrument its unique character, or timbre. This leads to the powerful phenomenon of resonance. If you push something at its natural vibrating frequency, like a singer hitting just the right note, the vibrations can build to incredible levels, enough to shatter a wine glass. From the Doppler shift of a passing car to the rich harmonics of a violin, the world is alive with these invisible, intricate patterns, all governed by the fundamental physics of waves.